Alright, I recently just got this package from Rockler. They did not send this out to me. It's not a sponsored anything or other. I have ordered this with my own money. Flexi Port Power Tool Hose Kit. Comes with a hose and it comes with all these different little gizmos and gadgets. This is not a review. This is just gonna be a box opening to see what you get in the box and things like that. Let's see what we got. Very, very simple packaging. Looks very nice. The hose I'm really interested in because the hose that I currently have right now is just a garbage hose. Like, it's really bad. So it'll be nice to actually have a nice hose. Wow, look at that. So this thing, I guess, can expand up to 12 feet. Holy cow. It really can. And then it just shrinks back to normal. Man, it's cool. This is a cool little hose. I'm really, really excited to try this out. All the ports. So this thing, you should be able to hook up to multiple different ports, I believe. Then it's like a quick link system. I think this is the main port. It's just like a simple thing. So I think you insert this in to your main hose. Does it screw in? It looks like it screws in. The threading is like screwy. It screws in. Oh yeah, it's going. I think, or I'm just like pushing it in. What the? I think this is actually the piece that goes into the hose. This is much smaller than this. And it's going somehow, some way. Okay, that's undoing it. I'm really not good at this, am I? Okay, haha. I think I got it. Jeez. That's what it looks like. You really have to force it in there, which is great because that means it's not gonna just like pull out. But I was definitely just too gentle with it. So now you have your main connector and I guess all your other little ports to go on to your little pieces. And these you just put on each individual tool. They give you a bunch of them. And then you can just, if this is on a tool, I can just bring my dust hose, clip it on, and now we're ready to go. And then when I'm done with it, you just pull or push these buttons and pull it off. So the main reasons I got these was for my surf prep sander. So I'm gonna grab it real quick and hook it up and just see how it is. I'm excited to get this thing working. The surf prep actually has threadings on the inside, but I don't think, well, that might actually fit. No, it won't. Looks like it might be this guy, maybe. Oh, this has like a clamp on it. So that's nice. 3 of these guys come with clamps on them. So right here is like this little clamp and you can just tighten it down. That's pretty nice. So I guess I'll be using this guy. He's got the ridges there, which is nice. The surf prep has the screws on, or the threads on the inside, so this thing will definitely hold nice and secure. Shove it in there. Yeah, that's not pulling out anytime soon. Then I can just come over, click that in there, we're ready to go. Also, this hose weighs like 20% less than a regular hose. It's super light and it's super flexible. So now my vacuum is usually on the ground. Now it's not so bad to get sanding done. And this really is all I'm going to be using it for. I don't have any other tools really that I need this on, so not sure what I'm going to do with these. I'll definitely keep them around the shop in case I get other tools that need this. But as for now, I have no use for these other amenities. So anyways, not the most exciting video, I know, but I just wanted to show you guys what comes in this box. If you're curious, I know I was curious how it all works and things like that. Rockler does have a video on this. I'll post it in the description below, but this is from me. Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. Be good, be safe, be happy, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.